Mastering Trombone Embouchure, a guide for beginners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language and music. Today, we're exploring a very specific yet crucial topic for all aspiring trombonists out there: trombone embouchure. If you're curious about what makes the trombone sound so unique, or you're starting your journey in learning this magnificent instrument, you're in the right place. Let's demystify this term together and make your learning journey smoother. First things first, what does embouchure actually mean? Embouchure refers to the way a musician applies their mouth to the mouthpiece of a brass or wind instrument. In simpler terms, it's all about how you use your lips, facial muscles, and teeth to create sound. For trombone players, mastering your embouchure is key to producing rich, beautiful tones and having full control over your instrument. Now, let's break down the elements of a good trombone embouchure. 1. Lip position. Your lips should be slightly puckered, as if you're about to whistle. The center of your lips, where the air escapes, acts as the vibrating element that produces sound. 2. Mouthpiece placement. Generally, the mouthpiece should be placed on the lips in a way that allows for an even distribution of pressure. Most players find a balance with the mouthpiece centered both vertically and horizontally on their lips. 3. Air support. Strong, steady air support is crucial. Think of blowing air through the instrument with a focused, steady stream, using your diaphragm to control the flow. 4. Cheek and chin position. Keep your cheeks firm and your chin pointed slightly downward. This helps in maintaining a clear, focused tone. Mastering your embouchure takes time and practice. Here are some tips to help you develop a strong, flexible embouchure. Daily warm-up exercises. Start with simple, long tones and gradually increase complexity. Focus on maintaining a consistent, beautiful sound across different notes. Mouthpiece buzzing. Practice buzzing with just the mouthpiece. This helps develop lip strength and control without the weight of the instrument. Mirror work. Practice in front of a mirror to ensure your embouchure formation is correct. Watching yourself can help correct any improper techniques. Seek feedback. If possible, work with a teacher or more experienced player who can provide personalized tips and corrections. Congratulations on taking the first step towards mastering the trombone. Remember, developing a strong trombone embouchure is a journey that requires patience, practice, and persistence. Don't be discouraged by initial challenges. Every expert trombonist started where you are now. We hope this video has shed some light on the concept of trombone embouchure and helps you on your musical journey. Keep practicing, and never lose your passion for music. See you in the next video.